Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit the like, subscribe. Right now, we have to go through some immediate conversations. People's portfolios are dropping like flies. Bitcoin's dropping like fly, and we need to know why. Definitely, if you're interested in why, we come to you live for this. This is a very, very emergency video, but we did not really label it as an emergency. But at the same time, the problem is the FOMO is real. People trade on emotion. What was happening on the video that I posted right before this was my concern that we were getting these M's fall. Big possible dip, big possible fall. Well, if you had noticed, this was the biggest dip, the biggest fall, maybe in Bitcoin history in the quickest time possible. Let's really talk about that because that's really scary. We were all the way at this on Solana, right? I just want to show some people what Solana did. And you were minus 30% on your money in a matter of seconds. I mean, we're not even talking about 4 hours, 2 hours. We're talking about seconds. This market dropped. We came down so quick. People were shitting their pants. A lot of people I know sold on this, and I get it. But now we're under the ribbon on the 4 hourly. I mean, look where we are. That doesn't even make sense. The FOMO is real. We're continuing to come out. We're continuing to go down. What's happening is a lot of issues. Everything's down. Everything's broken. Everything's down. Everything's down. Everything's broken. I mean, let's be serious. When things happen like this and people FOMO, things start to break. Things start malfunctioning, and that's what's happening. I'm waiting for I'm actually waiting for YouTube to break because everyone's going to start coming down with conversations of what's going on. Right? Everything's down. Basically, when everyone gets involved and all this shit happens, things go bad. But you have to understand the money's got to funnel back in. This is a really bad wick. This is only a 4 hourly. Let's look at the hourly as we come down and pay attention. Look at the EMA ribbon. We were proud. We were above. Well, we did this really quick. This could be a Tigger bounce, ladies and gentlemen. This could be the Tigger bounce. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride still. Don't stress. Yes, we are not supposed to finish this candle below anywhere near here. If we do, we are in still trouble. This sucks. No problem, Jackson. This be real. This sucks. Nobody except for the Bears love this shit right now. So I came to you really quick. Of course, this is my loyal followers here. You all deserve this. Stop selling your fucking Bitcoin. That's one of the problems we're having right now. Start buying. Do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, okay? Right now, someone's doing the opposite of what you chumps, and not you, not my followers, of course, because we know better. Some of the chumps, let's be a little more specific. Some of the chumps are going crazy selling here. You should be buying with some liquidity you have. If you wanted to mitigate your loss, you should have been out of here as we were becoming red, falling down hardcore. If you're not out of here at this level, then you already know you need to stay on this ride, and it sucks. This bounce, we're not going to zero, ladies and gentlemen. We should know that, right? And I'm not a registered financial advisor. We know I am a gentleman who does like to wear the visor, but you do have to do your own research, of course. This is for entertainment purposes only, but this is pretty entertaining if you ask me. Very scary. So look at the market cap. We were 2.35. I mean, come on, 2.37 trillion. Take a third of a trillion out of anything, and let's see what happens. So it's going to take some time to really recoup from this now. I do hope that we get the support level above here around 45 and do maintain above there and not close. We have to close above the 44,000, 1,000%, or we're in a lot of trouble, ladies and gentlemen. The FOMOing is real. The FOMOing out is real, right? I sold some Polygon Matic. I'm not going to lie. I sold some at 143. I love you. I did. I sold some, and then I had to buy back in at around the 1-teens, 15, 13, whatever it was, but it came down low, and it sucks. I wish I could have bought the bottom, but I did. I mitigated some losses. It was the only thing I sold on emotion. It's not really emotion. I see my money falling quickly. I have to accumulate more. What I do, I said I sold a little bit at 143. I was already in the profits, of course. And then what did I do? I waited till we got to like the 115. It was exactly as I remember now, 115. So we got a little bit more action and accumulated more. And hopefully now this is going to be something that we're going to take our time on and be able to take hopefully the rest of September to come up. So, I mean, this was a big dramatic fall. I understand. This is scary as hell. This is Matic as everything followed with it, right? I did buy a little bit more Ethereum. That's why your dollar cost average in. If I bought 100 grand of Ethereum this morning, what would have happened? I would have been fucking losing my mind. That's why your dollar cost average. So I bought a little bit. Now I bought a little bit more here. As soon as we came down, I was literally shitting my pants when we came to the 3,000 level. I even said, wait a minute, we're going to see 2,900 Bitcoin? Like what? So We're still falling, so let's get a couple indicators out. Let's see what's really happening because it is kind of scary. Wow. So look at the hourly. On the hourly, we really did get a FOMO out. The FOMOing is real. That's what it is. What do you want to do? A lot of people are trading Bitcoin. A lot of people are interested in it. I get that. And this is what happens, you know. I knew that looked funky. So what's happening is Ethereum. And if you see on the hourly, we're really below the RSI levels. Even the EMA looks terrible. But it's actually a good for a buyer. It looks terrible if you're holding. So there you go. We're coming back. The market's starting to come back a little bit in itself. Looking at my money starting to come back as well. That's a good thing here, as I see. But I'm waiting to see when this is done crashing completely because, like I said, the people FOMOing in and FOMOing out is so real. It's disgusting. If you look at this support level here, whatever we got. I mean, this is something new here. Where is that level? I couldn't even tell you. It's such. What price did we get on Cardano? We're on Cardano now. I'm flip-flopping everywhere. I'm sorry. This is how the emotions run deep, right? Everybody's fucked up right now. Everybody's stressing. Everybody wants to know where this Cardano support came from. Well, this Cardano support came from the August 14th all the way through the August 19th level. So if you're holding Cardano, it's starting to come back up. You're starting to see your money come back through. You're a very happy person. Go to the 15-minute, and you see the 15-minute is basically cycling the same. We're getting back up. We're buying. We're looking at this. If you pay attention, definitely to mention, get a quick refresh on the market. $2 trillion only. I can't believe all the work and progress we did. We erased that in just fucking a half hour. That's really scary. So pay attention as we're going to probably come back strong. It's okay. It's going to take a little bit. 52 billion volume. That's huge. I couldn't tell you the last time I seen that much volume. This is a shakeout, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the volume. 30 billion volume almost. Whoo! Tether was 100 and something. There it is. The last 24 hours, 8 for that. Solana was a 12. Now it's 13. Just buy more Solana. That's what I'm going to do. Just continue to buy more Solana. I mean, really, it's scary, but this market, if you know what you're doing and you could not get screwed on emotion and you can allow to continue to just buy the dip, continue to just hold when you need to hold and sell when you need to sell and take profits when you need to take profits, you will survive things like this. Look at this. We've really just, I've never seen, this is Solana now, I've never seen such a fall in such a quick time frame. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, really, look at this wick. This wick went from 100. We went from in the 10 o'clock, the 10 o'clock hourly candle in 1 hour's time frame. We went from 183 Solana, right, all the way to 152. Could you imagine how much money was lost on a $30 candle? A $30 candle, if you have 10 shares, which isn't a lot, you just lost $300 on Solana. You're pissed, right? And if you held it, now you're coming back. And if you really, really want to fucking throw up, this is the real price. We came all the way down to 138. So you could have actually just bought some Solana at 138, and now you're already making some money and some gains. I'm worried right now, and what I'm worried about is this is going to be the M. The M's here. Now it's giving some profits here. People are going to take more, and then that's going to happen. So pay attention to that level, 174. Maybe we come back up and immediately fall again. It's going to be a little hairy here going on out from the next couple of days here. It's either going to be parabolic, and the volume needs to funnel in, and we need to come back stronger than ever, or it's going to take a couple weeks. You've seen what we just did, right? So 2.06, so we already got 0.06 trillion fed back in. Everyone's starting to calm down a little bit. So let's see what happens here. A lot of people traded on emotion here and they sold out. It's a fact. When you see Compound and you're watching people tell you to buy Compound at $511, for example, right? And I do know someone, I'm not going to name no names, and I actually like him as a YouTuber. And I didn't do it. I'm not stupid. It was 511. Compound was trading 511 yesterday. And hint, hint, there was a guy named Chris who said, yeah, buy Compound. It's a great altcoin. You don't know what the fuck he's even talking about. That actually pissed me off watching it. And I was saying, he's going to hurt a lot of people if this comes down on a correction. And what happened? Damn it. If I was correct, this dip just killed a lot of people. I'm serious. It hurt a lot of people. And that's why I always say, do your own research, because this was coming. We had, if you paid attention, we had some stuff going on with Bitcoin that was bringing us really far. And if you look at the daily here, I mean, how many days can you go up? And now it's a mess. So we're just going to erase everything. I don't care. Remove everything. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about because this is so important. How many days could you just keep having go up, and could you really just see this and not really pay attention to something that could happen on a pullback, or which is called a correction? This is the correction on Bitcoin. This is very, very, very real here. And what did we expect? Well, I'll tell you right now, I didn't expect it this fast, but we're not done. When I'm all said and done, we're looking at the 41,000 level if we're not done. If we're not done. That's the key word, if. I hate when this shit does this. Yeah, it's fucking pissing me off. I'm having an annoying day here with TradingView. All right, there we go. So yes, if I look at here from July, and this is the daily on July now, but I'm going to make this video not too much longer. We're going to get off actually, 15-minute video. You see the support level come back strong. That's very important. That's very healthy. Will we proceed to come down a little bit more? Yes. You can't have a third of a trillion come out of the market and then just say, okay, we're going to go back up now, no problem. That's really going to hurt. So let's see what we did here. This is the trend. This is the trend we were following. I'm going to show you real quick. Now we come through on the daily. And now what do we got to do here? Well, we got to break this neckline now. Now we're in trouble. Well, this is something I'm not going to be doing anything until I see this broken. And what is this price? Well, this is Bitcoin. And if I pay attention to 49.7, 49.8, I ain't doing shit until I see Bitcoin back at this price. I mean, I'll even type it if you want. I don't give a damn. I ain't doing shit until I see this price back here. I'm not doing a damn thing. It's got to come back. Bitcoin has to come back hard and quick. And if it doesn't, then we have things to talk about. If I do that one more time, I'm really going to flip out. So here it is. I'm not doing shit until I see this price. That's just what I'm trying to explain to you. You got to be careful now. So hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. Hopefully we're going to the moon, right? People who are going to buy the dip are always going to prevail on that. We are receiving some pull-up. Let's get to some of the EMA ribbons and some other little tools here. I'm just looking at this. All right, so if you see here, we got really tight, right? A big movement was coming. Now we got it. We're starting to separate here. So now that we're starting to separate, let's see if we can get a little bit tighter action on these bands. These bands are really, really separating, which is telling me that we're not done going down just yet. We're going to be playing some games here, and we have to wait for another. This is the daily, so we got to wait till tonight at 8 p.m., 8.5 hours. But we're coming up nicely. I'm looking at these candles, another 25 minutes till the 12 o'clock Eastern time. That'll take us to the lunchtime, and we can hopefully erase all this mess coming down and start to proceed back up and forget about what we saw and hopefully regain. Because right now, I'm looking at the crypto market, right? And I'm looking at the prices. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, we are now 55 billion in volume. What? Right? 29 or close to 30. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been trying to see ETH hit 20 billion in the last hour. The whales are buying, okay? Cardano, 8.4 billion. What else? Solana, now it's 13.6. If this isn't a shakeout, I don't know what is. This is a shakeout to shake out the weak hands. You're becoming one of them. Don't be the weak hand shakeout. Stick to your guns. And I tell you right now, this is definitely what I can't believe I'm seeing. I really thought that we were getting a sick correction. No, it was a ticker bounce. And we talk about my ticker bounce all the time on this channel. Is the trend coming, though? Yes. What do we see? Well, we see M's. We see them coming. When we'll stop? This could have been it right here. Pay attention, definitely to mention. Watch the volume. Volume of Bitcoin's flying. Cardano's flying. We just looked at it. Look at the total crypto market may not look so great because we were a third down now, right? We're 1/3 of a trillion down, and that's scary. Hit the like, subscribe, because don't worry. We're going back to 47K. What did I just tell you? I'm not worrying. I'm not doing nothing until I see this price back, until I see 49.7 come back. I am not going to be bullish. I'm not worrying, but this is something you have to pay attention to. Look at this. Look at this wick down. 42,000. Did anybody know we just hit 42,000 Bitcoin? Did anybody know that? You wouldn't have. Not in this candle, you wouldn't have known. We were just trading 53, like I said. I told everybody, so if you're a loyal follower of mine, you know that. So what happened to the rest of the market? Well, the rest of the market's on sale, ladies and gentlemen. 7 cents ACH. My heart is hurting because I'm holding some ACH still. Matic, we were just knocking on the door at 170. big falls here. ICP back to the $58 level. How many times did I tell you, let's buy some ICP at 58? Well, if you want a good token to buy, if you want to know something to try, and like I say, I'm not a registered financial advisor, but $58 looks pretty damn sexy again to me. You could have got it cheaper. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, I know most of you weren't thinking about buying more at this price. You were shitting your pants. Let's be honest. $54, that wasn't in your mind, right? I guarantee there was nobody when it was hitting $54 go, let's buy some ICP at 54. Look, it blew up well below the 58, Pete said. No, nobody was doing that. And if you did, and if you were one of the random people doing it, you're now sitting here jumping up and down while everyone else is shitting their pants still. Our hearts are pounding. We're below the EMA. We fell. We came high. I mean, this is what happens. When you get this high and people are smart and start taking profits, not only does it fall, but then you should have stopped here at the $76 level. No, what happened? The FOMO was real. Everyone shit their pants. It's unbelievable. I wish people would stick to their guns. Don't trade. If you don't know what the fuck you're doing and this scares you that much, I wouldn't be in this if I were you. You really screwed things up. Thanks a lot. And some of the whales, they're sitting here giggling as they're buying cheaper prices going, oh, I didn't think I was going to get it this cheap again. Holy shit. And that's what happened. And now the market will rebalance, will recuperate, probably a little slower than it fell, obviously. Look at this. Look how slow we're moving. I can't even get the charts pulled up. Ladies and gentlemen, if Bitcoin's crashing, you can't get out. It was probably a blessing in disguise. Right now, look, it's not even working. And what did I say on this video that I pulled out about an hour ago? I said I'm worrying about a fall coming. Did I think that this fall was going to happen this fast? Hell no. I would be a complete fool and a big liar if I said I thought it was coming faster. Did I see it coming? Did I do a video bearish? Yes. Yes, I did, ladies and gentlemen, because I felt it coming. I seen it coming. The TA was telling me it was coming. I didn't know it was coming this strong. I'm not going to bullshit you. It happened. It came. We saw. We got hurt. Some of us didn't because some of us know not to trade on emotion. Some of us watched the video where I said, top 5 tips to not trade on emotion, right? Well, you got into it and you paid attention and you really took some thought and understood it. You're now feeling good about today. All right. It's a shit day, right? We fell down hard, but you got to realize you can't trade an emotion. You take profits. This is why you take profits, ladies and gentlemen. This is why it's so damn important as we're going up and then re-enter the market on a rainy, cloudy day. Well, guess what? The 10 o'clock candle, 8 o'clock forwardly, was a rainy mother effing time. It wasn't even a day. It was just a rainy time. So if you got in on the 8 o'clock Eastern candle and you had liquidity and you bought this dip, you're the best. Good stuff. Pay attention definitely to what's going to happen next. I do believe that we are going to spring back up on Bitcoin and come back to the 49,000, and then I'll be able to come back, do another live and say, hey, there's something I could do now, but I'm not doing shit until then. So pay attention to that. Seriously, this is a big deal here. We are coming back. The support was real. Please stop selling your fucking currency. You guys are driving me crazy. If you don't sell it on the green candles, you're not going to make money. If you're constantly selling on these red falling candles, you're constantly losing in the crypto market and you're giving your money to the whales. Just fucking give it to me. You know what? If you do that stuff and you keep selling on emotion and you keep trading, seriously, you know what? I have an idea for you. Do this. I have a better idea. Seriously, I mean this a lot. From the bottom of my heart. Wall Street Pete, right? I'm not kidding. I know I'm going to sound like a real dick on this one. But go to my channel, right? Click on the Wall Street Pete, right? Here we are. We're coming back. Click on the Wall Street Pete. Go to the About channel, right? Go here and then see we're back and we're ready to attack. Sicto Crypto, 100K Bitcoin. We're talking about all this stuff, right? Go down to the bottom and hit the PayPal and send all your money to here if you want. And do that instead of just fucking selling on emotion and screwing yourself. Because you're better off giving it to me and then maybe I can give you money back that way. I don't know. I'm just being an asshole right now. I'm just tired of everyone selling on emotion. It breaks my heart. And I'm here for you to make money, not lose money. So it kills me to see the people constantly go, Pete, I sold all my Matic. I put a stealth. Someone told me this. Listen to this. They put a sell stop on Matic at 162. How are you doing right now on that sell stop? Start putting profit takes. Start putting sell stops for your profits. Start taking profits. Stop selling on emotion. You're killing yourself. We're coming back above the lines of the MA. Look to make another move. Look to see if this was just a shakeout. Yes, as I hit refresh, I'm getting sick to my stomach because what are we watching? We're watching 55 billion billion, almost 56 billion. When was the last time you seen that in Bitcoin's volume? When was the last time you seen 30 billion in there? Almost an 8.5 billion on there on Cardano, 13.5 billion on Solana. What's the price for Solana? Holy shit. I mean, really. Stop selling on emotion, ladies and gentlemen, because what you could have just done on a 15-minute. Look at this hourly wick. It's copying the image of the fall. I mean, it was a real shakeout for Solana. Some of you got Solana at $138, and some of you are making sick though in crypto right now. Some of you right now are sitting here punching the walls, flipping out, going, I fucking sold on emotion, and I'm not getting back in. It's too high. I don't know what to tell you guys. I do this. I make these videos for you daily. I show you how this can happen. I explain that this shit is real. I am not selling on emotion. When I'm selling on green wicks. You want to start taking profits now? Be a fool and take them. But right now, we're on a move up. And this has now shook out a couple people that really lost some serious sick dough in crypto. And it ain't sick dough in crypto. It's idiot and idiot. Don't be an idiot. So, Wall Street Pete sick dough in crypto. This may have been one of the biggest shakeouts in crypto history in the shortest time frame of a day. I'm sorry. I worked on the NYMEX exchange. It's nothing like this, but I'll tell you right now, the experience is very helpful. So, if next time you don't know what to do, maybe you need to hit the bell notification, hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. This is Wall Street Pete. He worked on the NYMEX floor in the natural gas exchange, in the commodities. This was for commodities, cotton, coffee, heated gas, unleaded. We worked here, and, we made a lot of money here, and a lot of people, they still have their money from this world and now making sick dough in crypto. So if you like a gentleman who has crypto news, he comes live for you really quick. It's going to take some time to recover. As you know, in this candle here, we're recovering really quickly. It's really disgusting on how it could fall. That's why I say this is really high volatile waves, man. You could lose your shirt. You could lose everything. And, I watched my portfolio jump down $2,000. You know what I just watched? I watched it come back up $1,500. That's crazy. So, I really, really, really hope, as you understand, the scammers are getting worse. You're about to buy more, Ricky. It's at 173. You could have bought it at 130, 140. It's a shame, we buy at these high levels. You could have bought it at 119 like 8 days ago when I said to buy then. So, this is an inverted here. This is a big dip shakeout. I mean, we really, what happened? It wasn't supposed to go this low. That volume, that fall was not supposed to come that low. The FOMO out was real, and it killed people. And if you sold some right now, you're hurting. If you held it, you're smiling. You know what I mean? So please be careful of the scammers. I am not ever going to tell you, send me some Bitcoin, and I'm going to send you 5 back. Send me 1, I'll send you 2 back. I don't do shit like that. So I don't have Telegram. I don't have WhatsApp. I do have YouTube. I do have Instagram, and I do have Twitter, and I do have Discord. So if you want to go down here, and if you want to watch me on the Instagram right here, follow me on Instagram. That's one of the big ones that we go with. We do daily charts, positivity talk all day long. So Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so when we do go live on this very important message that I usually have for some people, you may want to jump in it. Right now, we could be getting the dead cat bounce on the M. It's probably more than likely. Do I expect a projectile all the way up to the moon parabolic move? Not really. A lot of people fucked up. A lot of people sold out and killed this market. So if you pay attention to the crypto total value here, I would pay attention. 2.05. We were already at 2.35, 2.37. But all the money came out of the altcoins, it seems like. They all came out of the altcoins. You know where they're going? They're going inside Bitcoin. They're going inside Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, and maybe some XRP. So some of the things to pay attention to, the volume, 14.5 billion now. If you just keep doing this on purpose, if you're paying attention, the volume's flying back in. So this may be something where we're okay. I mean, it's crazy volatile waves. It really is making me sick. 172. Then the next second, Solana's 167. Right? Look at this. This is what we're just 173. It's very volatile. You have to understand that. We may get a parabolic move. We may get a parabolic move, ladies and gentlemen. We may get this and the back up. We may be gone. I mean, this is how this shit happens. You have to understand when you get significant moves down, it's likely if it's possible, if people wake up, we get the moves that quickly up. So without beating a dead horse and keep going and on and on and on and on about all this, I sold 15 cents, 15 and a half cents Harmony token. I now feel like a genius, look like a genius. It's starting to feel amazing. I sold there. I took profits. What did I tell you to do? I said profit taking days and days and days and days ago on the Harmony token. What happened? We came all the way up here. Nobody believed me we were going to hit there on the Harmony token. I'm sure you didn't believe it. We were trading 9 cents. Nobody wanted to believe it. Nobody thought it was real. Sideways boring action on the upward roller coaster trend. And then the big kaboom in the middle of the night, while everyone's portfolio was falling, my Harmony token was keeping my portfolio above. I took profits. I had liquidity. I told you don't put your money back in right away. I had money on the sidelines. What did I do? I bought some more at the bottom back at 9 cents. Why the fuck not? Go for the ride again. This is what you got to pay attention to. This is how you make sick dough in crypto. So it's important to stay to the end of the video and understand these things. Everything came back up. Everything. ACH, ICP. Look at it all. We're not going to be done now. The FOMO hurt us. Listen, a lot of people took their money out. A lot of emotion was traded, and it's going to take a little bit to come back. All right? So without further ado, I'm out of here. I'm not going to sit here and say goodbye for another hour. Watch the guy, Wall Street Pete. He worked on the NYMEX floor. He worked in the trading environment in the open outcry before we did all this digital shit. You might want to pay attention, definitely to mention. I'll come back to you if I feel it's necessary. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. If you enjoy these videos on the urgency, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments section what you're thinking is next, the Bitcoin price, where you think we may be going. Is this the bear market? I'm telling you no. I'm telling you it was a shakeout. Do you have conflict with me? I don't know, but I want to hear about it. Have a great day. Please enjoy it. We're going to have a quick, short week, right? Monday, Labor Day's over. See you soon.